In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy tickets from Skyscanner. By the end, you'll know exactly how to search, compare, and choose flights with confidence. Start by heading to the Skyscanner website. On the flights page, you'll see the trip type options near the top. Decide whether you want a return ticket, a one-way journey, or a multi-city itinerary. Return is great for simple there and back trips. One way is perfect if you're continuing your travels by other means. Multi-city is handy when you're visiting several destinations in one trip and want everything on a single search. Next, set your locations. Click into the From box and type your departure city or a specific airport. Do the same in the To box for your destination. If you're flexible, you can type a broader area and let Skyscanner show nearby options, but choosing exact airports gives you more precise results and clearer prices. Now, choose your dates. Click the Depart field to open the calendar and pick the day you want to fly out. If you selected a return trip, add your return date as well. If your dates are flexible, glance around the calendar to spot cheaper days. Small price hints can help you save without changing much of your plan. Before searching, set travelers and cabin class. Open that menu to choose how many adults, children, or infants are flying, and pick the cabin you want, like economy or business. Getting this right ensures accurate pricing in the results. Click Search to see what's available. You'll land on a results page that lists flight options. Here, click into the option that best matches your dates or into any highlighted suggestion to view the details for that combination. If your departure city has multiple airports, you may be prompted to choose the exact airport you prefer. Pick the one that suits your location, schedule, or airline preference. From the list of flights, review departure times, total travel duration, and whether a bag is included. When you found the outbound flight you want, click Select. If you're booking a return, you'll then see the inbound options. Compare those the same way and click Select again on the return flight that works for you. Skyscanner will prepare your chosen itinerary and show trusted booking providers. From there, you'll continue to the provider to finalize your booking. Before you proceed, double-check details like baggage rules, airport changes, and layover times so there are no surprises later. That's it, your search, selection, and handoff to book are complete.